import Java until scanner public static void string 1 string name 1 name 2 scan s is equal to new scan system in. We have to enter string 1 string 2 and we have to give name is 2 plus name 1 name 2 string comparison using equal to 2 string. If name 1 equal to name 2, then 2 strings are equal, else 2 strings are not equals. To string comparison using equal ignore case, 2 strings are equal, else 2 strings are not equal. String comparison using is equal to, if name 1 equal to name 2, print 2 strings are equal, else 2 strings are not equal. Fourth, string comparison using compare to. Name 1 compare to name 2 equal to 0. 2 strings are equal, else 2 strings are not equal. Now I am entering my first thing is as Java. My second string also Java. And I got name as Java, name to as string comparison using equal to, 2 strings are equal, string comparison using ignore cases, 2 strings are. By this I completed my first program. My second program is import Java until scanner public void stack main string name 1 scanner is equal to new scanner system in. Enter string 1. If name 1 starts with A, name 1 starts with E, name 1 starts with I, name 1 starts with O, name 1 starts with U, then string starts with vowel, else it starts with consonant. I entered my string 1 as Java and string starts with constant. My third program, import Java until scan public stack void main string name scan s is equal to new scan systems. Then we have enter your name please. If name ends with A, name ends with E, name ends with I, name ends with O, name ends with U, string ends with vowel, else string ends with consonant. I am executing it. I entered the name as Java and string ends with vowel. My fourth program is import Java until scanner public stack void main string name 1 name 2 scan s is equal to new scan system in, and we have to enter name 1 and string 1 and string 2. If name 1 intent of name 2 equal to -1, then print not found, print name 1 not found at string 2 as given. Not found. My fifth program is import Java until scanner public stack void main string AB scan s is equal to new scan in. Enter the first element, enter the second element. If A intent of B equal to -1, print string 2 is not present in string 1, else the occurrence and else the first occurrence of string 2 in string 1 is in plus A intent of last. The first occurrence of string 2 in string 1 is in 18. Sixth one, input Java until scanner, public, stack void, string argument, string A, string B, scanner S is equal to new scanner system in, enter your name, enter the substring of your name. Then if A intent of B equal to -1, question mark, B plus is not present in your name, extracted word is A substring of B, programming A intent of B, B length. I entered name as Python Java and enter the substring of the subtracted is Java. Seventh program, import Java until public stack void stack argument string A B scanner S is equal to new scanner system out print enter first string enter second string. First we have to add both the string. Second we have to replace character in string, enter the character string to be replaced, S is equal to next int, enter the string to be, enter the character to be replaced, S is replacement is equal to S into next into character at O. The first string after replacement is plus A replace target replacement. The second string after replacement plus B replacement target replacement. Convert the given string into lower. The first string will become A plus to lower case. The second string will become B plus B to lower case. Fourth to be convert string into uppercase. The first string will become plus A to uppercase. The second string will become plus B to uppercase. What to be replaced? I want to replace N. A. I got my result and I got my lowercase as in small letters and my uppercase in capital letters. And my eighth program is static int word count string int count equal to 0. Character ch is equal to new character string length. For int I equal to 0, I less than string length, c of I is equal to character at n. If character is greater than 0, character I may not be equal to semicolon, character I minus 1 equal to semicolon, I of 0 is not equal to 0, I equal to 0, return. Public stack void main string character S is equal to new scan system in, enter the string plus word. Entered the string and I got my 5 words. And my ninth program is import Java until scanner public stack word void main string ABC scan S is equal to new scan system in. We have to enter the string to be replaced A equal to S of next. Enter a string to be replaced with C plus plus B equal to S next. The A replace C plus plus B. And instead of C++ is a powerful program, instead of that I replaced it as Java is a powerful program. C++ is a powerful program. Palindrome. Import my 10th program. Import Java until scanner public static void loom is palindrome string A, character A equal to A2 character array for int I equal to 0, I less than A length by 2 plus plus. If A of I equal to not equal to A length minus I minus 1, return false, return or else return true. Public void main string array string AB scan S equal to new scan system output. Enter the string to check if it is an a palindrome. String builder input is equal to new builder. Then we have to give one predicted function at predicted function plus A equal to ignore case input reverse to given. If string is palindrome, string is not palindrome. Without predefined function, plus is palindrome, A lowercase, string is palindrome, string is not palindrome. I'm giving as Malayalam. Palindrome with prediction string is palindrome, without prediction string is also palindrome. And my 11th program is code Java. Import Java until public void stack main string array string AB scan S is equal to new scan system in character output 1 caret. Enter the string for destroyization, and we have to enter a index to be print character in present at end. Then again, if D of X greater than equal to A length, the given index exclusive in string limit, the character present at given index is plus A of character. To apparent function, enter the second string to be apparent it to the first string. Next line, string builder input is equal to new stringer builder. Result of apparent first string, second one plus input arent. Third insert, enter the element, enter the string in which you are going to be inserted. String buffer input equal to new string buffer. Enter the position and the string to inserted in the given string. IDX is equal to S next line. System, the resultant string is. Enter the string to be given. Programming. File. Execute. Next we have to give Java. Then we have to give Eclipse. Then we have to enter the position at 4. And the result will